So receiving is arguably one of the most important features in Fishbowl because everything sort of snowballs from there. If you get receiving wrong, then it's pretty bad, right? It will affect accounting and it will affect picking later on and maybe manufacturing later on. So in this video, we're going to take a look at all the features we can possibly think of in regards to receiving. There's this feature on the transfer order screen called put away. And if you assign default locations to all your parts, then you can do a two-step receiving where you receive to the default receiving location, which is just receiving, but then use the put away feature over here on the transfer order screen, this put away feature. You can use this put away feature to grab everything that you put in receiving momentarily, right? The idea is to just set it in receiving temporarily. And then go from receiving to SLC, and it will grab everything that's in, it will grab everything that's in receiving. And if we click issue and go to picking will automatically see the default locations where you're supposed to go to. And I don't know if I have this set up, but yeah, kind of. So destination 100, 100, and this one's 300, this one's 200. So if we set up default locations, this picking screen will tell you on another step, on a put away step, where it belongs. So you could have a two-step receiving process where you first just receive into receiving, get it counted, get it in there, and maybe have the opportunity to label everything if you need to stick labels on, if they don't already have barcodes, or then you can stick those on and then use this put away feature to put it away. Okay, so some different options, different things you can do with the default receiving, right? You thought, man, I thought receiving was simple. Well, it can be, but not for everyone, right? If smaller companies have more simple receiving processes, larger companies may have more complex, more requirements in receiving to assure that it gets handled properly, put away properly. And that brings up another point is you may have a inspection step, right? You may want to receive it into inspection and make inspection your default receiving location, and then move it out of inspection once it passes inspection and put it away into stock, right? So we click on receiving. Another thing I want to show you is we say we've got this button up here. I said, don't click that button. Well, there's actually a user group right. If we go to user groups, go to receiving, and click on access, scroll down to receiving, we'll see here that we've got receiving fulfillment, receiving item fulfillment, receiving item receive, receiving receive. So this receive translates to this button right here. This item receive, receiving item receive, translates into this button over here. So you can actually go to the user right screen and set it up to hide or show the buttons you want to be available for those on the receiving screen. So a receiver can receive and an accountant can record the vendor invoice on the receiving screen. I've got another video on reconciling if you want to check out that to see what the accountant's role is for entering a vendor invoice. Okay, so you highlight the line. Okay, so if you're still watching this, you're either an operations geek or you're just letting it run in the background, or this was super helpful and you were glued to the screen the whole way. That's what we do here at Brando Consulting, is we help you decide what software is right for you. So don't hesitate to reach out And please, please, please react to this video. That tells YouTube that people like this video or if it was beneficial. Any type of reaction, YouTube says, oh, we'll let other people know about this video. So the commenting, please comment, subscribe, you know, whatever kind of reaction you can come up with, react to this video. And we greatly appreciate it. Click the link below, come to our website, fill out a contact form. I'm Lance, inventory software expert since 2006, and we have a lot of other videos like this for other software programs as well.